everybody, I'm Samari and in today's class we made a fidget spinner. Let me explain you how we made it. So the basic materials required were 2 sheets of paper, 1 rupee or 2 rupee coins, 1 clip and the cartridge of a pen. So how we made this is, we first cut the A4 paper into strips and we got long rectangular strips. We stuck them on top of each other with glue. Most preferably was Fevi-stick, not Fevicol, because Fevicol takes time to stick. Then we took 2 rupee coins, 2 rupee coins and stuck it on one side. Then we formed the shape into a circular object. We took the clip, straightened it up and used the cut off a little part of the cartridge without the ink, as you can see here, to make a holder. And now I can hold this and look how it rotates. You must be asking, what is the require for these 2 rupee coins here? Well, without the 2 rupee coins, it would be very floppy. The 2 rupee coins gives weight to the fidget spinner and makes it easily movable. This is our DIY fidget spinner. The basic theory behind this is air. The flow of air, so our thrust makes us move the object and the flow of air makes us continue to move. This is how fidget spinner spins. So we put the thrust one time and it moves with the motion of the air. This is a circular motion. Thank you Playto Labs for organizing this event. Thank you.